Are you looking for the best camping grills in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best camping grills. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Weber Smokey Joe Portable Grill. If you're on your toes, you might already have guessed that we're about to take a look at our first charcoal grill on the list. This grill and the brand are possibly simply synonymous with grilling, so you can't go wrong. At a fraction of the price of many propane grills, you'll be hard-pressed to find a cheaper option for camp-out cooking. That said, just remember that charcoal comes with its own set of pros and cons. See our Buyer's Guide section for more details. This little grill is circular, so that 154-inch surface area is a bit deceiving since it's hard to use a circular space efficiently. That said, the round Weber charcoal grill has been around a long time and it's well loved. When I used this grill, the only problem I had was that I struggled to fit my food into the smaller space. Plus the grill, due to its small size, was a bit prone to tipping off balance, but that's compared to a full-size grill. Overall, it has everything you need and nothing extra for some simple smoky-flavored grilling the next time you're out camping or picnicking. If you're looking for the best charcoal camping grill that's inexpensive, light and easily transported package, the Weber Smokey Joe is for you. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Camp Chef Big Gas Grill. Let's be clear, you'll need plenty of room to pack and haul this serious grill with you. If that's your thing, though, there's no doubt that it's one of the best options for portable grilling. You'll need a 20-pound propane cylinder to power the 3 burners on this grill. Hoses and regulators are provided and you'll be out of the box and ready to cook in just a few minutes, no tinkering around. The grill itself is a somewhat modular system. The grill box is added to the top of the grilling surface for an interchangeable setup, and it takes up 2 burner spaces. You can leave it off if you want, but even with it in place you still have space for a pot or pan on the 3rd burner. Each burner has an individual control, so you don't have to waste gas if you don't need one running. Oh, I should also mention that you can remove the freestanding legs and place the grill on the tabletop if you need to adapt to the situation at hand. At number 3, we have the Blackstone Tabletop Grill. I personally love this simple grill with its spacious no-nonsense griddle top. It's available in either 17 or 22-inch sizes, so you can pick out the size that's right for you. At more than double the grilling area of the last model we looked at, the 22-inch Blackstone seems like a megalith. Those numbers are deceiving though, because this grill relies on a simple square top that maximizes cooking area by keeping things streamlined. On the downside, however, this is more like an industrial kitchen griddle than a grill. There is no direct flame access and no grate to cook over, it's just a simple griddle-style cooking surface. That said, you can cook literally anything on a flat griddle and cleaning up is super easy. There are 2 burner adjustments for heat zones, so you can keep one side of the griddle hotter than the other. On top of that, grease can be easily scraped out of the back of the griddle. If you are looking for the best camping griddle that can prepare practically any food, the Blackstone is for you. At number 2, we have the Cuisinart Portable Tabletop Propane Gas Grill. Some of us just don't have much room to pack stuff around the tent, kids' gear, and inside the trunk of a compact car for a short weekend vacation. If that sounds like you, consider keeping it simple with this small tabletop grill. This grill is pretty darn small, so be prepared to work on a cramped surface. That said, at just 13 pounds it's lightweight, easy to pack, and quick to use. These benefits are hard to ignore when you're busy packing up with other gear and getting ready for the trip. You can get this grill in 4 different models. 2 of the models are the red portable grill, but one of them has the Versa stand, which makes it a standalone grill, while the other is a tabletop-only model. It also comes in stainless steel and black colors as well. I personally like this grill, but some users complain that the stamped steel burner is a little too flimsy and will break down over a few years of use. For the price, however, it may be a moot point. And finally, at number 1, we have the Coleman Propane Grill. Coleman always makes a solid appearance on any portable grilling list. Why? Because they've been making and innovating camping grills for decades and they're getting it right. If you're a fan of the rolling wheeled cooler, you'll fall in love with the design of this grill. It packs down into what looks like a luggage case with a set of wheels and a handle for pulling it along. That makes it ideal for taking to the beach, campground, or other more remote locations. When packed, it also comes down to a surprisingly small size, too. Once set up, the grill has 2 side tables for plates, trays, and spices. On the front are 3 hooks that can hold your spatula, fork, and tongs. On the technical side, this propane grill has a one-touch piezo ignition that's easy to use. There are 2 burner controls for fine temperature adjustments. On top of that, you can swap out the grill for a griddle surface, optional. At 37 inches high, the grill is a bit taller than a low workbench, so it's probably about right for all but the tallest of us. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.